Alright, boys, here's how I made $0 day trading today when I should have really made 700. Broke my rules today, and not in the way that you would think. I didn't take a bad entry. In fact, I took an A plus entry, right? My usual model. It didn't work out yesterday. Today, I was thinking it's gonna work out. And I moved my stops to break even, right? Maybe halfway through the trade, and I ended up getting break even. And price fluctuated for about an hour, and about an hour after I entered the trade, an hour and a half, we hit TP. And it's not the best feeling. I can always sit here and say that this reason caused me to do this reason caused me to do this, but to sit here and take full accountability, honestly, let me put my AirPods in for y'all so y'all can hear me better. But to take full accountability, right, it was honestly just a bad break even that I shouldn't have gotten break even at. And oh, I did not mean to do that. I meant to show y'all. All right, and I think it's very important to see these type of videos, right? It always made me feel better when I was trying to get profitable when my favorite mentor made a video making a mistake. So I could feel that sometimes I'm not always gonna do the right thing. Sometimes my intuition can be off, and that's my primary goal for making this video for y'all. So y'all can see my screen. All right, bet. Let's go straight to trading view. We did, however, the other thing is we ended up having 9 a.m. news. So like I don't really like being trades when there's news. So like maybe it was a good thing that I went break even, but I should have probably just closed at 8:59. Whatever, yada yada yada. Bang bang bang. Alright. So what do we see today? I see this insane London high, I think formed by 7:45 news, 7:30ish news, core retail sales. And honestly, a fun fact about today, I woke up at 1 minute before market opened. Honestly, I've been trying to capitalize on my sleep a little bit more. So we did end up having this 5-minute bearish right here. Or 50-minute, actually, my fault. 15-minute bearish gap that we were kind of playing into when market was opening. And honestly, screw all of this. I mean, there was more opportunities to go long, right? Screw this S&T, because this is just later on in the session when I'm trying to find another move. What even is that? I don't know what that is, but all right. What do I want to see on market open? I really want to see like a low get taken out. Maybe this 50-minute low, future lows, whatever it is, right? I just want to see a bunch of lows getting taken out. I don't really need this either. Yeah, so we have that 5-minute right there, as I could see. 5-minute bullish gap. We have some lows that I'm looking at to get swept out. We have that 1-minute low, right? So bang, market opened. And we ended up sweeping out that low right there, forming this S&T. All right, bang, bang, bang. My fault, guys. My fault. We ended up having this 1-minute sweep right here. We formed an S&T. And I think it's very crucial to show y'all what I was really looking at. We invalidated, no 5-minute, but we invalidated this. Actually, we invalidated nothing on our leading index. I don't know why I thought that we did. So we invalidated nothing on our leading index, but we broke 1-minute structure, right? And on NQ, we broke structure. On the 1-minute, we invalidated this 15-minute, and that's enough confidence for me to go long. I went long. I got filled in a little bit wackly, and my whole thing was to go break even when I was halfway up on this trade, just because it's sort of like an unattainable break even point. And low-key, I'm gonna just put it in 2x speed. So I went break even like right here, to be honest, like right here, and we ended up getting break even, right, like right there. And like if y'all could see, that's like a 0 to 0.76. I'm going for like a 1 to 1.3, so like that's literally half. That's half of my trade. We ended up getting break even, and now I'm gonna put this in 2 times speed or 3 times speed actually, just because like I want y'all to see this. And my fault a little bit. So this is like 9 a.m. right here. So I would have probably exited like literally probably like in for a little bit of a loss right before a news played out. Or maybe I would have stayed in. I don't know, but right, it's 3x speed, so we're just dancing around. We fake it for a little bit. Bang. At about 9:52 we hit this trade. So we entered at 8:32, so like an hour and 20 minutes later we ended up hitting this trade. I think I put 6, wait, to make this make perfect sense, I think I put 5. No, hell no, I did not risk that much. No, maybe I put 3. Nah. I put 4 micros in this. So I put 4 micros. Put it in perspective. I was looking at about $930 of profit for the day, and I fumbled the bag. All right. Again, I do think I would have closed out at 859 regardless, or maybe protected my stop loss by putting it below this 1 minute low right here. Something of the nature, just so that I wouldn't get really fucked. But I mean, even if I put it on here, I'm like risking like probably half of what I was risking. I was risking maybe like $300 in the day. If I put it here, yeah, I'm risking like 180. So I'm really risking like $300, $350, which is really nothing compared to what I'm usually risking. So like, and that would have really banged out, right? Maybe sit here, took a shower, gone on a 1 hour run, whatever I could have done, I should have done. I would have probably went break even when ES took out some form of high, maybe like right here, or even here to be honest at 939. I would probably went break even right here, or protected it below this low, whatever it may be, bro. I really shouldn't have gotten fucking break even. Or I shouldn't have gone break even, not gotten break even. Would have played out, and yeah. But we live and learn. I appreciate y'all. Y'all boys have a good one.